At Pragmatic Semiconductor, we're doing semiconductors differently. We're making them flexible and sustainable. And we're making them at speed and scale. FlexICs, our ultra-thin, physically flexible chips, are opening new market opportunities, bringing item-level intelligence to new spaces and new applications, reimagining NFC to deliver low-cost, low-carbon connectivity at scale. Converting FlexICs to tags is quick and easy with the ITEC ADAT3 XF Tagliner. ITEC is a world leader in semiconductor equipment and automation. The ITEC Tagliner inlay die bonder provides unrivaled productivity and throughput, enabling high-speed bonding with precision you can trust. Automated wafer changes from a multi-wafer cartridge keep production running smoothly, maximizing uptime and minimizing disruption. An XY glue writer ensures compatibility with FlexIC's geometry. This proven technology has long been used in semiconductor die-attach processes to deliver consistent, accurate results. The Tagliner handles FlexICs with speed and stability, picking them from the wafer with ease. Custom optics give inspection cameras crystal clear recognition, ensuring every chip is perfectly placed. For the fast curing process, only 2 thermodes are used, which fit seamlessly with Pragmatic FlexICs. Get started with an ITEC Tagliner for FlexICs. Visit pragmaticsemi.com/inlay-assembly.